Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 6th, 2025, and we're diving into Rockwell Automation's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Rockwell Automation has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2025 results, along with their guidance for fiscal 2026. It's an exciting time to analyze their performance and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Rockwell Automation reported fourth quarter sales of $2.316 billion, marking a 14% increase from the previous year. John, can you elaborate on the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The company saw a 13% organic sales growth, which was bolstered by strong performance across its segments, particularly in software and control, which saw a 31% increase in sales. The adjusted EPS for the quarter was $3.34, a significant 32% increase year over year, driven by higher sales volume and improved segment operating margins.
And how did the full year look?
For the full year, Rockwell's adjusted EPS was $10.53, up 7% from the previous year. This growth was supported by a 1% increase in both reported and organic sales, despite some challenges in certain segments.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Rockwell Automation has shown impressive operational efficiencies. Can you tell us more about their cash flow and future guidance?
Indeed, Rockwell reported a substantial increase in cash flow from operations, reaching $1.544 billion, up 79% year over year. Free cash flow also saw a remarkable 113% increase to $1.358 billion. Looking ahead, the company has provided a strong guidance for fiscal 2026, with adjusted EPS expected to be between $11.20 and $12.20. Additionally, they announced the dissolution of the Sensia joint venture, which is expected to close in the first half of fiscal 2026.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did Rockwell's different segments fare this quarter?
The Intelligent Devices segment reported a 15% increase in sales, reaching $1.086 billion, driven by higher volume and price realization. Software and Control was the standout performer with a 31% increase in sales, reflecting strong demand for their solutions. However, Lifecycle Services saw a 3% decline in sales, attributed to lower project volumes. Overall, their total annual recurring revenue grew by 8%, showcasing the strength of their recurring revenue model.
CEO's perspective and strategic focus. What insights did CEO Blake Moret share about the company's strategic focus and future prospects?
Blake Moret emphasized the company's commitment to margin expansion and execution. He highlighted that Rockwell is well-positioned for continued profitable growth in fiscal 2026 and beyond, despite macro and geopolitical uncertainties. The CEO also mentioned that the company's differentiated portfolio and focus on execution are key drivers for their future success.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.94 for the quarter. How did Rockwell's actual performance compare?
Rockwell Automation exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $3.34, which is 13.6% above the analyst forecast. This beat was achieved despite the challenges faced during the quarter, showcasing the company's strong operational execution and cost management strategies.
Key takeaways. In summary, Rockwell Automation has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter and full year 2025, with significant improvements in profitability and cash flow. Their guidance for fiscal 2026 is optimistic, and strategic initiatives like the Sensia joint venture dissolution are expected to streamline operations further. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Rockwell's impressive results and future outlook.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Rockwell Automation's performance in the comments below.